I got another 2 apps for you. I don't know if you ever heard of these companies before, but you're gonna learn today.
You're gonna learn today.
The first one is so much more than just a job app. They're a technology platform that makes W-2 staffing work like never before. They're available in 20 states. This company offers full-time, part-time, short-term, and long-term work. All workers get protection like overtime, workers' comp, and paid sick leave as W-2 employees of this company. They offer such jobs as concession stand workers, forklift operator, retail, among others. If you're curious who they are Bluecrew. Over 1 million shifts have been worked by Bluecrew members. To sign up and get started, just complete one application and a quick questionnaire. And really, it takes about a few minutes. After that, you'll get full-time and part-time jobs sent right to your phone, complete with the wage, location, job description, and company reviews. You decide if the job is right for you. As for pay, you can receive a paper check by mail or direct deposit into your checking account. We recommend using direct deposit for consistent and faster payment. Bluecrew pays weekly, and they also offer a benefit called on-demand pay, which allows you to access your weekly earnings days before payday. Bluecrew might just be right for you. The second app is loved and trusted by 200,000 plus users. They offer jobs in over 25 U.S. cities and through 1,600 businesses with jobs such as housekeepers, banquet service, packers, and others. With this company, you can work in an environment where you can grow, learn new skills, and connect with top U.S. companies. This second app is Upshift. Upshift offers generous pay rates, flexible schedules, and weekly payouts. You can work and earn as much as you want to, especially since this platform lets you discover a wide range of additional part-time jobs and flexible shifts that fit around your current work, family, or other commitments. Pick up as many or as few shifts as you need. It's up to you. Upshift can give your dollar amount a lift. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that can turn into your main hustle. Let me know in the comments down below if you're going to try these awesome apps. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.